ready to level up your gaming without emptying your wallet. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to snagging a Nintendo Switch Oled for less than $350. It's totally possible, so let's get started. First things first, dive into the Preowned Market. Check out sites like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist. You can often find gently used OLED models at significantly lower prices. Before you commit, always ask for photos and, if possible, meet in person to test the console. Check for scratches on the screen and ensure all the buttons work properly. Next, become a deal detective. Use websites like SlickDeals and Camel to track price drops and promotions on new and refurbished Switch OLEDs from major retailers. Sign up for email newsletters from retailers like Best Buy, Target, and Amazon. They often send out exclusive deals and coupons to their subscribers. Don't forget about loyalty programs. Stores like Best Buy and Target have programs that reward you with points and discounts for your purchases. These can add up to significant savings on a Switch Oled. With a little patience and these strategies, you'll be gaming on that beautiful old screen without breaking the bank. Happy hunting, and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming tips and deals.